A lot of people don't think about dreams because it's a normal part of our lives. They've been documented as early as biblical times, according to an article by Mr. Stickgold. Most people have various types of dreams. In fact, most people have multiple dreams every night. Whether they are good or bad, realistic or fantastic, or even remembered, dreams visit us every time we sleep. A dream is defined in the Oxford Dictionary of Psychology as a mental experience during sleep, usually taking the form of a sequence of ideas, images, and imagined events or stories. However, not many people think of the psychology behind dreams. Why do we dream the things we do? What causes a dream to occur when it does? How do all dreams that stay in memory after sleep affect each and every one of us in a different way? This speech will attempt to answer the various questions behind dreams based on people and theories that have been studied. Over the past century and a half, there has been a lot of research and many theories behind the existence of dreams, as well as why they occur. Also, there has been research on the meaning behind dreams as well. One of the most important people behind this was well-known psychologist Sigmund Freud. He developed many theories and models in order to explain the psychology behind dreaming, as well as define their meaning. There have also been many others who incorporated in this explanation of this phenomenon, and studies are still being done today. Another famous being in the study of dreaming is Carl Jung. He believed that Sigmund Freud's theory was too focused on sexual desires, and he took a different approach. Jung used the neurophysiology to research dreams. He was going to study the brain and nervous system activity during sleep. Although Freud is one of the most popular psychologists, many say that Alan Hobson was the first to study dreams scientifically. Unlike Freud, his theories were strictly scientific. He, being a professor at Harvard Medical School, had the background he needed to successfully take this approach. He strictly believed that dreams had no meaning that is able to be depicted. His theory was a key part of the neurophysiology for many years. A supporter of Freud's analysis on dreaming was John Mills. He used modern technology that Sigmund dreamed of having to further research that he did. He battled against Alan Hobson, who was a believer that dreams were straightforward reflections of our daily concerns, while Mills supported the suppression idea. They both used positron emission tomography, PET imaging, to research this because it studies brain activity. One of Sigmund Freud's most well-known theories is the psychoanalytic theory of dreams, which stems from psychoanalysis in general. This theory states that dreams are a representation of our unconscious desires, whether they are sexual or just any other thing you may desire in life. He explains this in his book, The Interpretation of Dreams, which was published in 1900 according to Ayoma. This got much attention not only for his belief in what dreams were, but more so what they signify, hidden desires. Freud also explains there are manifest and latent content behind dreams, which are the two components to dreams. Manifest content is the images, sounds, and thoughts within the dream, whereas latent content consists of the psychological meaning that underlines the purpose behind it. There are other theories as to why we dream, as well as other psychologists have created based on their beliefs and research. For example, a theory suggests that dreams occur because we are trying to interpret the external world around us while we are unconscious. An example of this theory would be a thunderstorm occurring while we are asleep, and that being incorporated into a dream somehow. Also, there is a theory called the computer metaphor theory, in which it is explained that we dream in order to clean up the mind and wake up refreshed for the next day, according to the article Why Do We Dream? It is called this because of a computer and how we remove everything we do not need to get more space and to make the best use of it. As you can see, the wonder behind dreams has been a key interest in many people within the history of psychology, and they still have only a glimpse. The research, discoveries, and meanings of them are quite a concept that has still not been fully explained. From Freud to modern dream analysis, there have been countless experiments, theories, models, and uses among the people that spent their careers discovering what was once completely unknown. Although every person you would ask would probably have a different answer to explain the phenomenon, the road to the unconscious and process and reasons are something that is almost unbelievable to the normal human.